Hello guys, and today I gonna show you how to submit rating when you make a monetization on your video. And this is a new policy that is so easy, and this is always on the first, and you have to click the about one. Okay, so you see here set for ads, and you have to scroll down to the other one, and then you have to click the first one. Okay, you see set for ad, and the next one, and you have to click the first one. Okay, set for ads, and here short content, you also choose the first one. Okay, and the next one harmful danger acts, you also choose the first one, and go on to this one, the first one too. Okay, just following my clicking. Okay, just click all the first. And by here, so you can see save for ad. Okay, and you do not click right here, do not tick none of the above. Okay, and then you have to submit rating. Click on it, and you go to the next one, click next. Okay, you see as suitable is okay now. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.